Can you sing? Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Yeah. Sing for Mommy. We're just singing. Do you sing, Joe? When I'm done. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, worship your holy name. Can you sing it? Can you sing? Worship your holy name. Yay, Junior. Do you like that song? Oh, my soul. Do you like that? Yes. Mommy sing that for church? Did you sing that at church this week?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you sing loud? Do you like it? We love Jesus, don't we? Yeah. I'm going to sing another one. Oh my soul. Yeah, is it all over? Maybe we'll play it again.